Okay, I'm videotaping this now. We're
All I got was a water. Thank you, Amtrack. Thank you. Thank you. $200 for 4 waters. YouTube video, here it comes.
We're gonna make it. Survivor trapped on a train for like a whole day. Whoa.
But what happened? Do we know what happened? Why are we here?
Someone didn't pay for their ticket.
I'm wondering why they don't get some buses and bring buses. Are we not even
Sometimes
close?
they do, but it's how the bus can get here. Because
We're
if you
not
notice,
close
it's
to a
cliff
road?
there. Yeah, we're not that I've seen. I don't know for sure.
And we can't walk up the.
I don't believe so. When I was looking, and there wasn't anything out there. So I'm not sure if anything falls off on that side or what. So I don't know. If there is an access road and they have to bring buses, they'll do that first. Have it lit up. So
How
that
are
we
they
can
going to
get
get us out of here?
I have no idea. They couldn't get. We're somewhere just past Goleta, I believe, or close to Goleta.
Access, they have to come
If we
rescue
have
us
no
at a
access,
point.
there's supposed to be a service road where maybe the police department can escort. So it just depends on what the city, the dispatch, everybody right now
Because you're reading a book.
Take a picture.
I'm doing that. Oh, this is like the blues crowd here.
Yeah, so
Do you mind if I
30 miles
film you?
down, there's some surfers in a big Ford truck. And they said they were going to send someone walking back to the
No,
campsite.
they said there's a payphones at the campsite. Worst case, we'll send
Oh,
someone
somebody's
down to that.
actually brought their guitar.
I was like,
Yeah.
what?
That is so great. Oh, let's see.
Explain.
I'm making a documentary film of this.
Of the riot. Of the soon-to-be riot. So hopefully they find...
It will be right in the future. I don't think
We're
so.
gonna protest.
Yeah.
They'll find your phone in the rubble. They'll find your phone in the rubble of the riot. This video will be on there.
No, we're not gonna do that.
What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Hi, Jamie.
Not so chaotic.
Hi.
Sorry.
Oh my God. Hi.
Hello.
I'm just documenting this event. Which
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
I'm making a film now about this. So what do you guys have to say about this?
Somebody's busted up a
can't-
kumbaya.
Right.
Oh,
my God.
she has his bottle. Happy Easter. It's all sleepover.
You guys have your babies and everything.
Oh, yes. Somebody's busted up a kumbaya.
Oh my God.
She has his bottle. It's not your bottle.
Are you?
No.
Because where we are, cellular wise.
No, he's talking about.
They're having a party down there.
you should try it.
Just try it.
Maybe we'll all become
Yeah, sometimes these things turn. I give you my card.
He's a good person to me. I was playing
to
pick, but
us.
Yeah, okay.
Obviously, we have enough time to walk around and associate each other.
Yeah. We just met.
You have shit yet?
I was telling you that this is
There's no
cool.
shit.
Anything and everything is an instrument.
There's an empty bottle. You can blow into it too.
Exactly. And you get different tones as you drink it.
Yeah, exactly. It's half the distance.
So, are they going to send us back, or are they going to pull us forward?
That's what I'm afraid of.
Guadalupe's.
Oh, they better pull us
Guadalupe's
forward.
north, so they would be pulling us
Thank you.
forward.
Well,
But they want to
well,
know
they could be pulling us forward, or they could be pushing us backwards.
coming from that direction.
What?
I can't see anything in my.
What do you mean?
We're only going that
Well,
way.
engines
I would hope.
historically
Just all
pull
put
better
our
than
feet
push,
out
so
and drag them
I think
in.
we're gonna be pulling better.
But-
Sometimes we'll put one in the back and push and pull.
They did.
Did just
Oh, I
as
thought you
well.
were saying something
I
else.
can't see.
Oh, well, maybe so. That too.
No, Dad.
I think I can. The train. What's that little book? The Blue Train.
Yeah.
You guys, am I too old?
No, I
You guys remember the Blue Train?
remember
I
that
think
book.
I can. I think I can. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
This could be our last moment. I don't want to have everything.
No, I didn't record. I just started doing it again because this is like the next phase.
The next phase, yeah, we're going into overtime here. We're going into to Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. Survivor mode.
Just gonna go downstairs.
It's a little nicer. Stick your head out.
I've been doing a little bit of a documentary film.
Does it have any kind of light? Can you see anything?
No, not anymore, but earlier I did. I can't see you at all, really. I can just see your...
Oh, good. I don't want to see myself on YouTube.
This is quite an interesting experience.
It's different.
You've never had this happen? Oh, you can't really see too much?
I can't say that I have.
In all the years.
I've never run out of gas here at Halama Bay. No.
Are you the conductor?
Mm-hmm.
You're driving the train.
No, we're in
Operating.
charge of the train.
The train drives
engineer,
its-
the engineer
oh.
drives the train.
Okay. Wow. So this is the first time. I didn't think this could happen. But
It's
was
rare.
possible.
It's very rare.
Okay.
But anything's possible, you know. That's a machine.
Right.
Things need, things.
Wow, I love this. The stars are
Explain.
I'm making a documentary film of this.
Of the riot. Of the soon-to-be riot. Hopefully they find...
It will be right in the future. I don't think so.
We're gonna protest.
Yeah.
They'll find your phone in the rubble. They'll find your phone in the rubble of the riot. This video will be on there.
No, we're not gonna do that.
What's your name?
Jamie.